So this is the last minute and the spin just finished. Yes, complete. The washing powder and the softener been gone with the water, and now the door lid indicates that it can be opened now. I added 2 little towel, and this is my blanket. It looks clean and well smelled. So this is all about my washing machine, Siemens IQ500 with the wash, blanket wash. And friends, don't forget to open the door after cleaning its time, because there's some moisture inside the drum and the gasket. So open the door at least for here. You will has the water moisture everywhere, so please open the door for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour to clean or remove the moisture from the machine. Thank you for watching my videos.